Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by gearing up. Choose a hatchet or saw with decent durability, pack a repair kit, and free at least one inventory slot. Once done, open your map and mark the Derelict pine zone or high ridgeline where pines spawn. Travel light for faster sprinting. Make sure to bring stamina food and vehicle fuel so you can reach trees and return. You want to arrive with tools intact because early tool breakage wastes time and forces backtracking. You find a pine and position at the trunk base, then start chopping. Hit timing matters, so keep steady swings to trigger full log drops instead of scattered sticks. Once done to a tree, loot immediately, bags fill quick and ground despawns. If you're using a saw, expect more log pieces but slower chops. A hatchet is quicker for single logs. Make sure to repair when durability nears 20% because a break mid-fell costs both time and harvested wood. You finish by stacking logs into one pile or loading them into a vehicle. Processing on a workbench converts raw pine into usable planks faster. Once done, store harvested wood in a secured container so it won't decay or be stolen. Label for inventory clarity. If logs won't appear or vanish, make sure to check server lag and respawn settings, verify your tool hit registration, and retry harvesting with a different tool. Often network or hitbox desync causes missing drops.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.